Gallaudet and Clare Center were established after the U.S. Congress gave us the responsibility of committing to propelling and advancing the lives of deaf, deafblind, deaf-disabled, hard of hearing, late deafened people, and people of different intersectional identities. I will refer to this cohort as deaf on a spectrum of identities. We have been committed to raising standards in order to create a sign ecosystem here in America and around the world. Now, we look to the future. What does it look like? What are we transforming to? We have established a new vision for 2020 to 2030. This transformative vision is called the Gallaudet Promise. The purpose of the Gallaudet Promise is to inspire commitment to action. An additional Gallaudet Promise is that we can continue to grow. We will refer to this definition of the Gallaudet Promise. When we think about and participate in conversations about the Gallaudet Promise, it is important we ask questions about what this new transformation, new becoming, means. Suppose Gallaudet and the Clare Center was a lighthouse on a rocky coast. To make the light beam confidently into the darkness, what would be the energy, charge, or call to duty to feed that light? It is our excellence in learning and discovery. That's its driving force. What does this excellence mean? What do we need to do for the Gallaudet Promise to succeed? The Gallaudet Promise has identified 5 grand challenges. The 5 grand challenges help us envision what we need to do to make an impact. Our community has great potential for advancement. How do we shine a light on that potential for advancement? How do we support each student to find their own beacon? How do we support each student to impact the world with the brilliance of their beacon? While we discuss about the Gallaudet Promise, we recognize that the Gallaudet Promise's vision is not stationary. The vision will evolve, and you will evolve too. As Gallaudet and Clare Center evolves, we will see that beacon shining ever brighter. Creating bright pathways for our community and young people from birth throughout their lives. Now, I want us to dive into the vision with more detail. The Gallaudet Promise has 4 important parts. The first part is a column called the 5 grand challenges. The second part, on the bottom, are called the 3 imperatives. The third part, on the side, are called the 3 priorities. And the last part is the phases timeline. There are 3 parts, and currently we are in phase 1. The Gallaudet Promise is an opportunity for us to articulate what is possible for us to fully realize our potential amid different limitations, both internal and external. We recognize the gaps that often prevent us from fully realizing our potential. Those gaps are identified within our Gallaudet Promise through the 5 grand challenges. How do we take on these 5 grand challenges? How can our priorities in this vision address those specific challenges? How must we change, learn, and develop our awareness through the imperatives? It's really based on our values. The imperatives grow as we push it through everything we do. With the right values, approach, and awareness. We must closely follow all 3 parts to make sure we can address these 5 unique great challenges. If we fully embody the 3 imperatives to carry out the 3 priorities, by the year 2030, our work may look different than it does today, and it should. But our 3 priorities and impacts should look the same. We will look different because of our 3 imperatives and our learning related to those 3 imperatives. Those 5 grand challenges give us the golden opportunity to seize our visual language, to seize our creative spirit, to seize our way of being, that deaf intersectional way. Now is our moment here at Gallaudet and Clare Center. We are becoming. That intersectional deaf way is being propelled into the future. We, as deaf people, know how to innovate to succeed in life. That is the deaf intersectional way. We want to proudly broadcast how the deaf intersectional way can impact the world every day. We must lift the lives and experiences of all deaf people of different intersectionalities, identities, wherever they are. Let's grab this opportunity to brightly shine this beacon on those 5 grand challenges and transform those challenges into opportunities. We must embed our imperatives while being steadfast to our priorities. If we turn these challenges into opportunities, our beacon will light up the world beautifully for our people and the intersectional deaf way. Come, let's collectively advance together to shine our inner lights and create a brighter future. Let us show excellence, learning, and discovery through our stories.